Welcome to IIT-IIM-Teacher.com. Introduction to Plane Geometry, Part 1. Our brief agenda for this session. We'll begin with points, move on to lines, line segments, rays, angles, and different types of angles. A point in geometry is defined as a location. It is represented as a dot. What could be a good example of point? Location of your home is a point on Earth defined by the specific latitude and longitude. That's a point. A line is a collection of points that extends in both the directions. It is represented as a collection of points with two arrows. The two arrows represent that it is extending in both the directions infinitely. That means there are no endpoints for a line. What is a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line with two defined endpoints. This is a line. Let us pick up 2 points. Part of the line between these two endpoints is called a line segment. This is a line and this is a line segment with 2 endpoints. The interesting part of lines and line segments. Observe this pair of lines. They are meeting, they are intersecting at a particular point. Hence, they are called intersecting lines. Consider this pair of lines which will never meet because they run parallel to each other. There are no meeting points. These are called parallel lines. What is a ray? Part of a line that has one endpoint is called a ray. This is a line. Pick up a point and part of the line beyond this point towards the other end is called a ray. A ray has only one endpoint and extends till infinity on the other side. This is a line. This is a ray. Angles. Angles are formed at point of intersection of lines, line segments, or rays. Consider this pair of rays. They are meeting at point V. That is called the vertex. At this vertex, angle is formed. Angle is measured or expressed in degrees. Different types of angles. Look at this. 30-degree angle, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360, and so on. Acute angle means something that is less than 90 degrees is called acute, 0 to 90 degrees. Right angle, that is exactly equal to 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, something that lies between 90 and 180 degrees. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.